Hello there, and welcome back to another video. Today I want to talk a little bit about the GoPro. GoPro have made a lot of cameras, and they are pretty much the word you use indistinguishable from the word action cam. But the newest action cam is the GoPro Hero 11. And here it is. Looks a lot like the Hero 10, maybe on the outside, actually also on the paper. However, this time they made two cameras, the Hero 11 Black and the Hero 11 Black Mini. The difference is maybe hard to understand because they're both called black because they're both the best camera they make. They have the same sensor, the same processor, so it's the same quality you get. But the Hero 11 Black Mini is smaller, so maybe it's just better and cheaper. No, it lacks the two screens, and that makes the navigation harder. It has like one button to navigate, and you can only switch between a preset of modes. However, they are both extremely good cameras. And I will say that now is the time to buy a GoPro Action Cam. Because maybe on paper it looks kind of the same as the Hero 10. It has the same resolution, same frame rate, but it is very different this time. It has full horizontal lock instead of like 20, 45 degrees tilt, whatever. Which means you can use it for new ways you haven't been able to use it before. You can put on the skateboard, you can rotate around the actual footage instead of rotating the camera. The camera will be locked in the horizontal line. And the image stabilization in general is just better. It's Hyper Smooth 5.0. It doesn't say much. They upgraded number every year, but this time they have actually upgraded a far bit. Also, it's got a new sensor, so the image quality is just better, and it means it also better in low light. So overall, just better quality footage than the Hero 10, more functionalities than the Hero 10, and by now the price is kind of the same. The Mini is different in the way it has another set of feet on the back. So as you can see, it has feet in both the back and the bottom, where the Hero 11 Black only have in the bottom. So there's more versatility there. They have not just removed the screen, they have actually used the space quite nice. So you can mount it in new ways you haven't been able to before with the Hero TS and with the Hero 11 Black. Also, it's smaller, it's also lighter, but only 20 grams, but it's smaller, so you can put it in new places where you haven't been able to put a GoPro before. But you can put the GoPro Hero 11 Black in many places too, so most of the time you will be able to use both cameras simultaneously. So which one should you choose? But that depends on you, because again you get the same quality, but unless you need a smaller, lighter camera for some reason, then I will say you can go for the better one, only $100 more, and you will get a better one, the best of the best, the more pleasing functionality of the touchscreen and easier control. This was what I had about the Hero 11 cameras for this time. I have a deeper dive into the differences and why the Hero 11 is the one to buy, why it's the best GoPro ever, and why it's significantly better than the Hero 10. So if you want to see that, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and the video about my deep dive is actually already out, so check my channel and look for it. And again, subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.